Hello students, good morning to everyone. Let's start next part of the lesson. Discovering Tut, the saga continues. The great story, adventurous story, which is still continue after a lot of inventions and a lot of discoveries. A city machine scanned the mummy head to toe, creating 1700 digital X-ray images in cross section. Tut's head scanned in 0.62 mm slices to register its intricate structures. Takes an eerie detail in the resulting image with Tut's entire body. Similarly recorded, a team of specialists in radiology, forensics and anatomy began to probe means होता है to examine the secrets that the winged goddess of a gilded burial shrine protected for so long. So what happened to mummy? A city machine scanned the whole mummy, and it was divided into different sections, and all sections were minutely checked, probed by radiology, forensics and anatomy. And the secrets that the winged goddesses of gilded burial shrine protected for so long. The secrets which were in the ground or cemetery for many years were came to know before the people. After the inventions of those instruments which were able to examine this mummy, and closely they given clues that what had happened to Tutankhamun. The night of the scan, workmen carried Tut from the tomb in his box. Like pallbearers, they climbed a ramp. Ramp means होता है एक ढलान, and a flight of stairs into the swirling sand outside. गोल गोल घूमते हुए sand. Then rose on a hydraulic lift into the trailer that held the scanner. 20 minutes later, two men emerged, sprinted for an office nearby, and returned with a pair of white plastic fans. The $1 million scanner had quit because of sand in a cooler fan. Curse of the pharaoh, joked a guard nervously. All these things taken to examine that mummy, but what happened? A swirling sand infected that scanner, which were costed $1 million, and there was no use of all these works. All these works goes in vain, and what happens? It was nothing, came to know. And God, who was guarding that time, he also joked that it was nothing, only curse of Pharaoh, which were the kings. ये उनका अभिशाप है कि यहाँ पर आप लोग कुछ एग्जामाइन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। ये जो प्राकृतिक आपदाएं आ रही हैं उसी लिए आ रही हैं कि वो लोग नहीं चाहते हैं कि आप इसका एग्जामिनेशन कर सकें. Eventually the substitute fans worked well enough to finish the procedure. After checking that no data had been lost, the technicians turned Tut over to the workmen, who carried him back to his tomb. Less than 3 hours after he was removed from his coffin, the pharaoh again rested in peace, where the funerary priest had laid him so long ago. But what happened? The substitute fan, which was attached with that scanner, was working well, and due to that, the scientists were able to get data from that machine, and they also observed that no data had been lost. And after the work, the body or mummy of Tut was returned to that place from where it was brought. Back in the trailer, a technician pulled astonishing images of Tut on a computer screen. A grey head took shape from a scattering of pixels, and the technicians spun and tilted it in every direction. Neck vertebra appeared as clearly as in any anatomy class. So, due to the pictures which were taken by the machines are showing clearly what is the main body parts of the mummy and what had happened to them into pixels. It was divided. The machines were very new and they are giving clearly each data which they want. Other images revealed a hand, several views of the ribs cage, and a transection of the skull. But for now the pressure was off. Sitting back in his chair, Jahi Hawass smiled, visibly relieved that nothing had gone seriously wrong. Now, Jahi Hawass was very satisfied by the work and smiling, sitting back in his chair because there was nothing wrong and they all were satisfied. He also said, I did not sleep last night, not for a second. He said, I was so worried, but now I think I will go and sleep. When the work was completed, he said that he was very disturbed. So he could not get any sleep last night, but now when the work was over, he could sleep easily. By the time we left the trailer, descended metal stairs to the sandy ground, the wind had stopped. The winter air lay cold and still, like death itself, in this valley of the departed. Just above the entrance to Tut's tomb stood Orion, the constellation that the ancient Egyptians knew as well, the soul of Osiris, the god of the afterlife, watching over the boy king. So, constellations means होता है number of stars grouped together, सितारों का समूह. When the body was dropped in the tomb, all these things which were happening in the nature become just as they were in the starting. Now the wind was very cold and wind also had stopped. In this valley of the departed kings, where all the kings and mummies were put by their courtiers, Egyptians, and their god who was the Osiris, it seems that he was watching from the heaven all this which was happening there in that valley of the kings. So okay students, in this chapter which was taken from National Geography volume 207 number 6, you have read a lot of things about mummy, which was the last one of his dynasty, was taken for discovery, and after discovery there were a lot of problems. As time passes, development increases, a lot of machines came to their existence, and they make able to scientists to prove that, examine that what had happened to that king and how he had died so young. All these things came to before people, but a lot of things still were not in their existence. That's the title is known as Discovering Tut. The saga continues. Adventure is still continue. Whenever we get new machines, new instruments, we will get new data from that. Okay students, so read this story and make a chart of the instruments which were mentioned in this chapter. Thank you बच्चों.